Fly away, fly away. I'm your president.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gavo. See you here with another video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, today I'm gonna give y'all boys the top 5 ways to make a better YouTube video. So for the first one, it's know your audience. Because before creating a video, you gotta know your audience interests or their preferences or what they want to see, pretty much. You feel me? This will help you tailor towards your audience and make sure that they're wanting to watch your videos, which will cause more views and more watch hours. The second one is planning your content. Create a storyboard or an outline for your video to make sure it has like a clear structure or purpose. Mainly make sure that your audience is engaged. The third way, invest in good equipment. Make sure you have a good camera, make sure you have a good mic, and make sure your videos aren't choppy or laggy or just like pixelated, pretty much. So fourth way, edit your video. It's good to edit your video by putting in like music and sound effects and stuff like that to make your video more interesting. Fifth way, promote your video. After you created a great video, it's essential to sit there and promote your video. Promote it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. You can put it on Instagram Reels or just like put it on Facebook, all type of places. But the main thing is promote your video. That's the top 5 ways to make a better YouTube video. I appreciate y'all boys for watching the video. We out.